Yo, what is up everybody? Hope you guys are having a great day, and in this video I'm going to be showing you guys how you guys can upload a music or a song to TikTok. So it's pretty simple, but before I show you the way, be sure to hit that like and subscribe button with notification turned on to our channel so you guys can get notified once our new video releases. And if you guys have any question related with this video, be sure to comment down below. We'll answer you guys as well. So without any further ado, let's start the video. Now, to upload a music or song to a video, basically the only way to upload a new sound on TikTok is if you include the sound on the video. So let's say I want to upload a music. The music needs to be on the video which I'm going to be uploading on TikTok. So let's say I uploaded a video over here and this video has a music in it. So the music is over here, as you guys can see. So now remember, let me show you guys. So let's say I click on this plus button. After I click on this plus button, I need to click on upload. Now remember, you can't upload a video and a sound separately. The sound has to be like included in the video. So let's say I choose this video. Now the sound in this video is gonna be converted as music. So the sound in this video is gonna be music. How? Let me show you. I can click on next. And now remember, if you want to add your own music on a TikTok video, do not click on sounds. By sounds, it's gonna take you to a place from where you can choose the sound from here. The instant you choose sounds from here, like, your sound is not going to be entered as a new song. It's going to be included on the song which is already in TikTok. So don't do that. Click on next. After you click on next, just upload the video. Okay, like if you want to add any title description, you can add it as well. Like, that's the other thing, but I don't want to add anything, so I'm just gonna click on post over here to upload my video. Now once this video is posted, the sound which is included in the video is my music. So the video just got uploaded over here, so I can click on this video. And now to see my sound, as you guys can see, this once I click on this spinning wheel icon, it's gonna take me over here. Now I can click on use this as a sound to create a new video using this sound, or I can rename it by clicking on this button over here and writing a new theme or like new title, say OP, and click on save over here, and it has been renamed to OP. So that's basically how we do it. So if you guys found this video helpful, then be sure to hit that like and subscribe button with notification on so you guys can get notified how you guys can upload music, songs on TikTok or other stuff. So yeah, comment down below if you guys have any question, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Until then, bye bye and peace out.